Hi, welcome to AppExchange Mavericks. My name is Stuart Edeal. I'm a platform architect at Thrivent and a Salesforce MVP. Today, I'm here with Stephane Zanoni with Riva International to talk about their AppExchange solution. Welcome, Stephane. Please introduce yourself and your Salesforce solution.
Thank you, Stuart. My name is Stephane Zanoni. I'm CTO and co-founder with Riva. Riva provides an enterprise-grade synchronization solution that integrates Microsoft 365 with Salesforce. Our automation puts customers at the center of the client experience. We are a longtime Salesforce partner. We are one of the first applications listed on the AppExchange over a decade ago. Our toolkits create operational efficiencies, synchronizing calendar events, email conversations, and tasks, ultimately making sure that these interactions are at the center of the customer journey. Riva's pass-through architecture allows systems of action to be integrated with systems of record. Riva also provides features for data compliance and data privacy, which are critical for regulated industries. Stuart, a lot of this automation happens behind the scenes, so I've brought a show and tell that'll animate our story.
Every day, organizations are losing connections with their customers. Critical information collected in email, calendars, contacts, and tasks about these relationships isn't making its way into the CRM. The Riva Relationship Engine solves this problem. It connects leading CRM software with business applications like Outlook, Exchange, Gmail, and Notes. But that's not all. We've developed algorithms to make sure that the millions of data points collected in these applications gets put into the human context of conversations, meetings, and ultimately, relationships. The Riva Relationship Engine meets the exacting specifications of the most complex enterprise environments in industries like financial services, life sciences, and government, where scale, security, and privacy are top of the list. It was designed with the knowledge that your many divisions, teams, and employees require different levels of access to customer data so that they can best serve your customers while keeping your organization in compliance with industry regulations. What's more, the Riva Relationship Engine is simple to deploy, requiring minimal investment in technology, change management, or risk mitigation on your part, whether in the cloud or in your data center. That is why Riva has earned the reputation for not just intelligent sync, but as the engine that propels enterprise relationships.
Thank you, Stephane. That was a great illustration about how Riva can use synchronization and automation to give us more information about our long-term relationships. I'm a big fan of the AppExchange and all of the solutions we find in there. What makes Riva and Salesforce such a good match?
Riva helps companies understand their long-term customer relationships and also helps to maximize the value of their investments in Salesforce. We do this in 3 different ways. First, we improve CRM adoption. Because much of the automation happens behind the scenes, it reduces the amount of double data entry and duplicate information found in the systems. Our sidebar simplifies prompts and helps customer-facing teams get their client interactions into Salesforce. This improves our customers' ROI. Second, we deploy this integration at scale. Riva is purpose-built for the enterprise. Our largest customer synchronizes 60,000 calendars and mailboxes in near real time. And because we don't store Salesforce data, we're able to complete rigorous InfoSec requirements. We've successfully passed thousands of security assessments. And finally, we help customers solve complex data flows. For example, if you're a large global bank and you've got customer interactions coming in from multiple different business units, you have to really pay attention on how data enters your system, who has access to that data, and the type of information that's available to different class of users. Riva helps solve those data access challenges and questions. Riva's built-in data compliance layers allows us to manage confidential information at scale and in a way that complies with company and industry regulations.
As a Salesforce architect, I understand the importance of security in our organizations. How do you help your Riva clients through their regulatory compliance issues?
Riva is much more than just a data pipeline. You can think of us more as a data irrigation system. We don't just connect and shovel data into Salesforce. We curate, filter, and route data to the systems that matter most. We ensure we surface the most relevant information at the moments that matter. When it comes to data governance, having full control over your data systems and data flows is critical. Riva can be deployed in a customer's data center, in their private cloud, in Riva's multi-tenant cloud, or in Riva's managed services cloud. We believe in a bring your own data center deployment methodology. When 30% of the top US financial institutions and 3 of the top 5 US banks use your software, you have to do more than just talk the talk. We deliver highly available clustered deployment with encryption at rest, in transit, and in memory. Riva's network communication layers fully support API gateways, reverse proxies, mutual certificate authentication, all leveraging the latest versions of TLS. In addition, we support modern authentication systems, and that's just the tip of the iceberg.
Stephane, it sounds like your customers are in good hands. Is there a specific customer case that you'd like to highlight that shows off your technology?
I'll use Bank Hapolim as a prime example. Due to their data residency requirements, they had numerous firewalls, numerous siloed systems that caused their client advisors a lot of challenges. After having deployed Riva, their client advisors experienced increase in productivity by no longer having to swivel chair between different applications. Riva enabled their client advisors to trust the Salesforce data as a single source of truth. This enabled them to have smarter exchanges with their high-valued clients. Their advisors were able to quickly understand their client and provide expert advice on new products and services. Because Riva provided their IT teams with such a comprehensive and mature data operations platforms, their IT teams were able to focus on other priorities.
Stephane, do you have an overall vision that helps Riva to guide decisions and create culture?
As a founder-owned and founder-led business, we're truly focused on ensuring our customers are successful. Our support team satisfaction rating often exceeds 99% year over year, and as an average over the last 12 months. Our professional services team works side by side with Salesforce architects, Salesforce developers, Salesforce administrators for some of the biggest and best brands on the planet. Our customers continue to raise the bar, ensuring that Riva works the way they want it to work. We have received Top Employer of the Year awards, both in Alberta and in Canada. I'm even prouder of how our staff members contribute to the Riva Cares 1% pledge, building and supporting the communities that make them successful. We have a number of core values that help guide our decisions and how we support our customers and affect the types of products that we build. Being a technology company, we have to continuously improve and we have to be part of the solution. There are continuous challenges that face us, and so we love to leverage technology to solve those problems.
Stephane, how can people reach out to you and find out more about Riva solutions?
Well, Stuart, as I mentioned, Riva's been on the AppExchange for over a decade now. So I would start by searching Riva, R-I-V-A, on the AppExchange. You can also find us at rivaengine.com.
Stephane, thank you for your time today, and thank you for all who have joined us for AppExchange Mavericks.